Today, you'll learn how to raise a dent in wood. This method works best on natural wood, so paint or varnish should be removed if present. The first stage involves the application of heat and humidity. You'll need an iron, water, and a towel. Don't tell my wife I'm using a tea towel. And so I'm just going to place it over top. And then now I want to add some moisture and get the towel wet. Just checking I'm over the spot. Okay, so it's right there. Now I've got the iron on a hot setting, like a cotton setting, and we're just going to press it down at least 30 seconds or more. Degree of success will depend on whether it's softwood or hardwood, and even the age of the dent. You might need to move it around just so you don't burn the towel. Keep your wife happy. We can see from the first attempt that it is much less than it was. Let's do another treatment. You might need to do this 2 or 3 times. Press down with moderate pressure. And there's after the second treatment. Let's try one more. A third steaming showed no noticeable improvement. If you're content with the results from steaming, give it a quick finish sanding and you're all done. But if you'd like to take it further, grab a sanding block or orbital sander. I recommend a non-aggressive approach. Start with 120 grit and adjust from there based on your needs. Generally speaking, you don't want to change the relief of the wood when possible, so sand with a flat and even pressure. If you need some more aggressive spot sanding, slightly tilt your sander with gentle pressure and keep it moving. That's about as far as I can take this without changing the relief of the wood. So I'm quite happy with the results. It's quite a noticeable improvement from where we started. I hope that was helpful. Please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.